The Logitech G815 is a $250 Canadian keyboard, around 180 in the US. I didn't even buy it. My friends actually came together to buy it for me on my birthday, and I honestly can't thank them enough for it. The G815 is 47.5 centimeters by 15 centimeters, which is 18.7 inches by 5.9 inches. The main thing that sets this apart from other keyboards is how thin it is, 0.9 inches, which is 2.2 centimeters. It comes with elevated feet that you can set at either 4 or 8 degrees. I have it at the highest. It even comes with USB pass-through, which is probably why it needs 2 USB ports to power it. So it actually works just fine with just one if you're not going to use the USB pass-through. These low-profile keys are actually made by Logitech themselves, and they call them GL switches, and they're mechanical of course, which feels really good coming from a membrane keyboard. I got the tactile switches. The G815 is impressively thin for a mechanical keyboard and visually pleasing, but it's also a lot heavier than my old keyboard though. Weight is distributed pretty well. It weighs 1,145 grams, which is around 2.52 pounds, versus my old keyboard being around 680 grams, which is around 1.5 pounds. The keys felt really nice, especially compared to my old keyboard. It's just some cheap membrane keyboard I found on Amazon because I needed a keyboard really badly. Don't know if you could tell, but I was looking forward to an upgrade. That's pretty much it for the video. I plan on doing a full review if enough people watch this video. So subscribe if you don't want to miss it, especially if you plan on buying the keyboard. I'll be getting into more detail about the switches themselves, the software controls, other competitors, and whether you should buy it or not.